Welcome to my video on how to make a very gao, luobo gao, also known as Chinese carrot cake. For this video, you're going to be needing a daikon radish, green onion, garlic cloves, rice flour, tapioca flour, dried shrimp, fried shallots, and preserved radish. So I've juiced the daikon and shredded some of it as well, chopped up the preserved radish, green onions, shrimp, and garlic, and set aside the tapioca flour, the rice flour, and crispy shallots for later. The first thing you want to do is bring up to simmer the daikon juice and its shreds. We're cooking it till it's translucent. So while that is happening, mix up the rice flour and tapioca flour and then set it aside. Now that that's done, we're transferring it into a bowl so we can reuse the pan for later. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'll be using that to fry my chopped shrimp. We're frying the chopped shrimp till it's golden and brown, but not too dark because we'll be frying the chopped garlic along with it as well. So a good indication of when it's done is when the garlics become aromatic, and that's when you add your lukewarm daikon juice to the pan. Followed by your flour mix, making sure to mix it really quickly and thoroughly before adding in your green onions, your fried shallots, and your preserved radish. Mix it up all together and as quickly as possible, and then transfer that into a bowl, making sure to scrape out all the little bits off your spoon and then packing it into the bowl. Over here, I've set up a steamer that's on high heat, and I'll be cooking the luobo gao for approximately 30 minutes. A good way to check if the luobo gao is done is by poking a cake tester or a chopstick into the middle of it and pulling out to see if it's clean. If it is, cool it down on the side and put it in the fridge overnight. So here you have a luobo gao that's already set and ready to go. I'm going to be squaring off the luobo gao and keeping the circular sides for my Chai Dao Kueh. So this brick can be used to pan fry, and you can serve it to your friends and family, and I will show you just how to do that. Add some oil into your pan and fry your luobo gao on medium to high heat. Once you're done, serve it with dark soy sauce and chili sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a very gao luobo gao.